Hello friends, in today's lecture we will discuss the inverse Laplace transform of integrals. So this is the sequence of the classes of inverse Laplace transform, and this is the integral of integral transform, Laplace transform. So let us see the inverse Laplace transform of integrals. Here is the theorem statement of integral of Laplace transform. If L inverse of Fs equal to Ft, then L inverse of integration over s to infinity Fs ds equal to Ft divided by t. Again I repeat the theorem. If L inverse of Fs equal to Ft, then L inverse of s to infinity Fs ds equal to Ft divided by t. So we have already learned this type of statement, an integral of Laplace transform. So here is the proof of the theorem. We know that L of Ft equal to Ft, then L of Ft divided by t equal to s to infinity Fs ds. This is equation number 1. तो जैसा कि हम लोग लेप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑलरेडी प्रूव कर चुके हैं इंटीग्रल ऑफ लेप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म को. So this is the statement of integral of Laplace transform. Ft divided by t, L of Ft divided by t equal to integration over s to infinity Fs ds. This is equation number 1. So result 1 must be proved in examination for complete proof. तो आप एग्जामिनेशन में जब इसको इससे रिलेटेड अगर ये थ्योरम आता है कि प्रूव दैट L inverse of Fs equal to Ft, then L inverse of s integration over s to infinity Fs ds equal to Ft divided by t in terms of inverse Laplace transform. तो आपको सबसे पहले Laplace transform में जो हम लोग ऑलरेडी डिफाइन कर चुके हैं उस रिजल्ट को आपको प्रूव करना है and put that equation is equation number 1. Then using the inverse methodology, we have L inverse of Fs equal to s to infinity Fs ds equal to Ft divided by t. तो प्रूफ में एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट नहीं करना है. That's why, because we have already proved the statement in terms of Laplace, and here only transfer the statement L left to right using the concept of inverse Laplace transform, and we will finally get the result L inverse of integration over s to infinity Fs ds equal to Ft divided by t. अब आइए हम लोग इस पर रिलेटेड एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. प्रूफ तो सेम है जो आप लेप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म में पढ़े हैं. एक्जेक्टली सेम प्रूफ सेम वे से प्रूव करेंगे आप इस स्टेटमेंट को भी. एंड फाइनली इनवर्स ऑपरेटर यूज करके अब लोग थ्योरम को प्रूव कर लेंगे. नाउ लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. प्रूव दैट L inverse of integration over s to infinity 1 divided by s of s plus 1 of ds equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 1 divided by e to the power minus t divided by t. इस एग्जांपल को हम लोग को प्रूव करना है with the help of integral of inverse Laplace transform. So here let Fs equal to 1 divided by s of s plus 1. तो हम लोग सबसे पहले क्या किए, सपोज कर लेंगे कि this function is equivalent to Fs. So Fs equal to 1 divided by s of s plus 1. Now we know that L inverse of Fs equal to Ft. जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि L inverse of Fs का वैल्यू क्या होता है, Ft होता है. Then Ft equal to L inverse of 1 divided by s of s plus 1. L inverse of, because Ft equal to L inverse of Fs. तो आप Fs का वैल्यू पुट कीजिए. Fs का वैल्यू क्या है, Fs is 1 divided by s of s plus 1. So 1 divided by s of s plus 1. Now resolve v into the partial fraction. Partial fraction में जब इसको कन्वर्ट कर देंगे, so this part can be break like this 1 by s minus of 1 divided by s plus 1. तो आप पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में रिसॉल्व कर देंगे इस रिजल्ट को. So L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1. Now L inverse of 1 by s minus L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1, we get the value of elementary property of inverse Laplace transform. L inverse of 1 by s is 1 and L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 is e to the power minus t. Now, we know that the integral of inverse Laplace transform integration L inverse of integration over s to infinity fs ds equal to ft divided by t. That implies L inverse of integration over s to infinity 1 divided by s of s plus 1 means on substituting the value of fs, ds becomes 1 minus e to the power minus s minus t divided by t, because ft we have calculated here the value of ft 1 minus e to the power minus t and divided by t as it is. So this is the solution of the problem. There are so many examples related to integral of inverse Laplace transform you can solve by using the theorem. So thank you.